Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a BMW 3 Series guys. So if you have a BMW E90, E91, 92, 93 and you're trying to find where NOx sensors are located for bank 1 and bank 2 on 6-cylinder engines, stay with us and we'll explain where they're located and what needs to be done guys to remove and replace NOx sensors. So it will take quite a bit of work guys, so be prepared. We'll explain everything from start to finish today. Quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos, specifically guys on BMW. And this BMW here, every BMW we get at the shop we make at least 400 to 500 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information to you. If you guys need to buy new NOx sensors, replacement parts, tools, gaskets, anything for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our parts from. So this is guys a 2006 325i XI actually BMW, but that's the N52 engine guys. So if you have N52, N53, the location of the NOx sensor will be the same guys. The difference between the N52 and N53 is not very big, so practically almost the same engine guys. Now where the NOx sensors are located, we'll explain that, but unfortunately guys you cannot just go ahead and remove and replace them. Why? Simply because you have to remove guys, okay, air filter box, you have to remove intake boot, you have to remove guys the intake manifold. The whole assembly right here needs to come out. Why? Because the NOx sensors are right under the intake manifold guys, so practically you will not be able to do it without removing the intake manifold. Now if you want to see how to remove the intake manifold, we don't want to waste your time, check it out, it's on the channel. It's called BMW E90 intake manifold removal. It will be on our channel. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. If for some reason I forget, we'll have it on the channel. Once you remove guys the intake manifold, you're guys almost right to the point, okay, that you are ready to remove the NOx sensors. Now you have to have your car battery disconnected. Why? Because this is a positive wire from the starter guys, and if you touch it with your wrench or something, you can burn your car, you can catch sparks. It's very dangerous, so be careful. But now let me explain. You cannot just replace one of the sensors, you have to replace both of them at the same time. And you have NOx sensor bank 1, this is for the first 3 cylinders, bank 2, this is for the second 3 cylinders guys. And we'll explain where the wiring harness and all that goes, so let's go ahead, okay, and we'll explain guys how to go ahead and remove now the NOx sensors on bank 1 and bank 2. Now guys, how you disconnect your car battery, it's super important, because if you do not disconnect your car battery the correct way, you can burn components in your BMW computers, and it's very important how you reconnect it. So we'll have a video guys on the channel that explains how to safely, the correct way to disconnect and reconnect car battery, so please check it out. It's a very important video, very short but very important guys. So now guys, with car battery being disconnected, we're going to use a female, or also known as reverse Torx 12. We'll have all the tools and parts that we use listed in the description of the video below. We'll go ahead and get, okay, that bolt loose. Once you get it loose, okay, let me show you, they go by hand pretty easy guys. Perfect. We have one more on this side right here. This is for bank 1, the first half of the engine. If you have a 4-cylinder BMW, I think you will have probably one NOx sensor. Okay, it will attach right here to the engine block. Ours is loose. And now what we need to do, okay, right here on the bottom side, okay, you will need to disconnect these wires. If you come on the bottom side, okay, right there, okay, this thing, you need to disconnect that wire, okay, the clip need to lift it up a little bit and disconnect the wire guys. Okay, and from that point on we can go ahead, okay, and pull the NOx sensors out of there. If you need to buy new ones, you have to guys replace both of them at the same time. We'll have the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out and you can see where we get the NOx sensors from. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure something like that out. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.